Welcome to the guide on using Helium 10 for Amazon FBA keyword research in 2024. Whether you're a new seller or a seasoned Amazon FBA pro, understanding how to effectively do keyword research is crucial for ranking your products and driving more sales. In this video, I'll show you how to harness Helium 10's powerful tools to find the best keywords for your product listings, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition and optimize your Amazon strategy. So without further ado, let's get into how to use Helium 10. Effective keyword research can mean the difference between a best-selling product and one that gets lost in the sea of competitors. As an Amazon seller, you want to rank higher, attract more traffic, and ultimately increase your sales. To achieve this, the importance of thorough and strategic keyword research cannot be overstated. The process of finding the right keywords allows sellers to understand customer intent, create optimized product listings, and more importantly, reach their target audience more efficiently. Helium 10 is one of the top tools designed to help Amazon sellers excel in this area. With its wide range of powerful features, Helium 10 can assist sellers in identifying high-value keywords that boost the visibility of your product and raise your ranking. In this guide, we'll be exploring how to leverage Helium 10 for keyword research and show you how you can get ahead of Amazon's ever-evolving algorithm. So first things first, let's talk about why keyword research is even important in the first place. When a customer searches for a product on Amazon, they type in a specific keyword or phrase related to the desired item. This search term triggers Amazon's algorithm to rank and display products based on relevance, sales, and performance, as well as other factors. The goal for every Amazon seller is to have their product show up as high as possible for relevant search terms. Ranking highly for the right keywords means higher visibility, which leads to more clicks, higher sales conversion, and potentially better organic ranking over time. Amazon's algorithm weighs relevancy heavily, meaning that if your product listing does not contain keywords that potential buyers are searching for, it won't show up in their results, no matter how excellent the product itself is. By conducting thorough keyword research, sellers can pinpoint terms that their target customers are using and ensure that these words appear throughout their product listings. This process dramatically increases the chances of being discovered by the right audience. Additionally, Amazon's algorithm factors in the performance history of your product. This includes your conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who purchase your product, and even your click-through rate, which is the percentage of people who actually see your product in the search results and click on it. Both of these factors are strongly influenced by your keywords. If your product appears for the right search terms but doesn't match buyer expectations, your conversion rate will suffer. This is why it's crucial to match the right words with the right audience. Without understanding and targeting the correct keywords, you risk losing sales to competitors who have optimized their listings more effectively. Now that we've talked a little bit about why keywords are important, let's talk about tools you can use to actually start finding them and implementing them. Helium 10 is probably one of the best tools out there that you can use to start finding effective keywords. If you want to get started with them, make sure you use the link down in the description. Helium 10 offers a complete suite of tools designed to optimize various aspects of running an Amazon FBA business. Among these tools is its keyword research features, and it stands out as a particularly valuable tool. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned seller, Helium 10's keyword research tools provide actionable data that helps you understand and improve your product listings and grow your sales. To get started, you'll first need to sign up for Helium 10. Once you have access to this platform, you then can begin your keyword research and process by using a combination of some of the most powerful tools they have available. Some of these tools include things like Cerebro, Magnet, Frankenstein, Scribbles, Keyword Tracker, Trendster, and a host of others. Together, these tools will help you identify the most relevant keywords and optimize your listings and track performance. So first things first, let's talk about how to use these tools in the first place. For step one, we're going to be using Cerebro. Cerebro is a keyword competitor analysis tool, and it's one of Helium 10's most useful tools. This is a reverse ASIN lookup tool that allows sellers to discover the keywords their competitors are ranking for. This tool lets you tap into your competitor's strategy by showing you the exact keywords that drive traffic to the listings. For example, if you're selling eco-friendly water bottles, you can find a competitor's ASIN by searching for a top-performing product in your niche. The ASIN, or Amazon Standard Identification Number, is usually located in the product information section. Once you have this, you can input it into Cerebro. Once you enter the ASIN into Cerebro, you'll receive a list of all the keywords that the competitor product ranks for. But Cerebro doesn't just stop there. It also provides critical data like search volume, how many people are searching for this keyword each month, and a host of other data points. There's also organic rank, which basically tells you where your product is ranking for that specific keyword. There's also estimated number of searches. This gives you a clearer picture of how valuable that keyword is, especially for your own listing. Let's say you're looking at your competitors list and notice that they rank highly for reusable, eco-friendly water bottle, but their ranking for BPA-free water bottle is relatively low. This information gives you an opportunity to target the weaker keyword that your competitor hasn't optimized for, while still competing for high-ranking keywords like reusable, eco-friendly water bottle. Cerebro allows you to spy on your competitors' keywords and identify gaps that you can take advantage of. It helps you build a comprehensive keyword list based on what's already working in the market while helping you avoid targeting keywords that might be too competitive. Up next, we have step 2, which is expanding your keyword list with the tool called Magnet. Once you've gathered competitor keyword insights using Cerebro, the next step is to broaden your keyword list by using Magnet. Magnet is Helium 10's primary keyword research tool designed to generate a new keyword idea based on the seed keyword you provide it. Magnet allows you to discover related search terms and find long-tail keywords, more specific keywords, phrases that usually have lower search volume but tend to convert better because they're highly relevant. Long-tail keywords can help sellers with less established listings target less competitive search queries, allowing them to rank more easily and build momentum. Here's how to use Magnet. The first thing you'll do is enter in a seed keyword, which is basically just a broad keyword related to your product. For example, water bottle if you're selling bottles. The next step is analyzing the results. Magnet will return hundreds of result keywords along with metrics like search volume, number of competing products, and Magnet score, which indicates how relevant and competitive the keyword actually is. The next step here is applying filters. To refine your results, you can filter by search volume or competition level. This helps you find the best mix of high quality traffic but low competing keywords. For instance, using water bottle as a seed keyword might generate suggestions like BPA-free water bottle or insulated water bottle or sports water bottle. Each suggestion comes with specific data such as how many people search for the term and how competitive it is. This insight allows you to focus on keywords with the most potential to drive traffic and, more importantly, sales. The ability to see long-tail keywords is especially important as these keywords may not have as much competition, making it easier to rank and convert for them. Using a combination of keywords from both Cerebro and Magnet can help you develop a powerful and comprehensive keyword list. This allows you to target a wide range of search terms from broad keywords to more specific phrases, especially ones that are more likely to convert customers who are further along in their purchasing journey. The next step here is refining your keywords with Frankenstein and Scribbles. Once you have an extensive list of potential keywords from Cerebro and Magnet, the next step is refining and organizing them, especially doing this before integrating them with your product listing. This is where Helium 10's Frankenstein and Scribble tools come in. Frankenstein allows you to take advantage of your messy, disorganized list of keywords and clean it up, removing any duplicates and sorting the data by frequency, relevance, and other factors. This is essential for streamlining your keyword research and making it more manageable. Once you've cleaned up your keyword list with Frankenstein, it's time to move on to Scribbles. This tool helps you strategically place your keywords into your product listing, ensuring that you don't miss out on any important terms. Scribbles visually tracks what keywords you've been used in your title, bullet points, product description, and backend search terms. This helps you avoid overstuffing your listing with keywords while ensuring that the most important search terms are covered. For example, after refining your list with Frankenstein, you might place high priority keywords like BPA-free water bottle or insulated gym bottle in your title. Meanwhile, you can add keywords like leak-proof design or durable eco-friendly material in your bullet points and backend search terms. Scribble also helps you strike a balance between readability and optimization. While keywords are crucial, it's just as important to ensure your product listing reads naturally and provides value to potential buyers. A keyword stuffed listing can turn off potential customers and may even penalized by Amazon's algorithm. Scribbles ensures that you're placing the right keywords in the right places, boosting both visibility and conversion rates. The next step is tracking keyword performance with Keyword Tracker. Keyword research is not a one-time task. Once you've optimized your product listings, it's essential to continuously monitor how your keywords are performing. Amazon's search algorithm is always changing, and competitors are constantly adjusting their strategies. Helium 10's Keyword Tracker tool allows you to keep an eye on where your product ranks for specific keywords over time. Tracking keyword performance is vital because it allows you to see which keywords are helping you rank higher and which ones actually need further optimization. If you notice that your product ranking for a particular keyword is dropping, it could be an indication that the competition is getting a lot stronger or that you need to adjust your listing to run a more targeted advertising campaign. With Keyword Tracker, you can enter the keywords you've used for your listing, which are basically broad, high traffic terms, as well as specific long tail keywords, monitor the ranking position of each keyword, keyword and track any changes in your product's ranking over time. If you see that certain keywords are not performing as expected, you can adjust your listing by tweaking the placements of your keywords or adding new relevant search terms. Keyword Tracker also provides continuous feedback, ensuring that your listing stays optimized and competitive. This data-driven approach helps you stay ahead of competitors and maximize your product's visibility on Amazon. For the next step, we're going to be understanding seasonal trends with Trendster. Seasonal trends play an important role in keyword performance, and many sellers fail to account for them when optimizing their listings. Certain keywords experience dramatic increases in search volume during specific times of the year. If your product is seasonal or affected by these trends, it's crucial to stay on top of them. Helium 10's Trendster tool helps you track the seasonality of these keywords, giving you insights into when particular keywords see a surge in traffic. For example, beach towels may see an increase in searches during the spring and summer months, while Christmas decorations experience a spike in November or December. Using Trendster, you can analyze historical data to see how search volume for a particular keyword fluctuates over time. Plan inventory and marketing around peak sales periods. For instance, knowing when searches for beach towels typically rise can help you make and stack up on inventory in order to launch proper ad campaigns to make more sales. And that's pretty much all of the important tools that you need to know inside of Helium 10 to track keywords. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me quickly show you how to get actually started with Helium 10 in the easiest way possible. Head down to the description of this video and click the link for Helium 10. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to this page here where you simply have to hit the sign up button, which will then take you over to the pricing plan page. You can choose which of these pricing plans you want to go with. I would definitely recommend going with the diamond plan because when it comes to keywords, this is what's going to get you access to every single possible tool you could need for keyword research. Once you've selected that plan, you'll then hit the buy now button, which will then take you to the checkout page where you'll enter in your first name, your email address, and your password. You'll continue to payment, enter in your payment details, and you'll be ready to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you guys in a future one.